Hey guys, this is Danny from Danny99, and today we're back with another unboxing video for you guys today. So we're gonna be unboxing this Boer Multipod 6-in-1 tripod. So we bought this tripod from Walmart and it cost around $15. So yeah, we bought this at Walmart, cost $15. And let's look at the side. And also, I forgot, make sure to like this video so you don't forget about it when I'm doing this. So this is what it looks like in the side. I hope this is in frame because it doesn't get a lot in frame on this tripod. So this is 36 inches that you can go up to. It's like really long. Wow. And we got 3 times mounts included for smartphones, cameras, and GoPro. We got the extends from 7 inches to 36 inches. This is actually good for like when I get it in frame to it, because when I do like a very big unboxing video, this is good for me. So yeah. So let's look at the back. I can't get this in frame. So this is Boer Smart Photography Multipod 6-in-1 tripod. My uncle's in the way because I don't have a lot of space for me. And this is all the specs. Here's all the features. I'm not gonna read all of it. And what's in the box. Okay, so it says Multipod, phone tripod mount, GoPro adapter, wireless shutter remote, micro USB cable. And this is the side again. We read it already. So now let's unbox it. I gotta get this in frame because this doesn't do good. Alright, here we go. Whoa. This is what it looks like. This is not unboxed yet. So this is the multiple functions. So the first one is the desktop tripod. Number 2 is the GoPro mount. Number 3 is the smartphone mount. Number 4, camera tripod. 5, rechargeable wireless shutter remote. And 6, used as a selfie stick. I know we're gonna use this when we go like somewhere very far, when we do like vlogging. So that's gonna be great when we traveling. And now let's unbox it. That's my uncle food. I know it's in the way.
I'm always like looking through the camera. Okay. This is way no good. And I'm in a helicopter. Awesome. And let's unbox this. So, I got tape. I don't like tape. Oh, it just fell.
I gotta take off the tape first. And the other side. Sorry, I'm looking from the camera. Oh, there it is. Finally. Alright. Now, first piece fell off. Alright. Now we're gonna get through inside. This is gonna be great. Oh, this is a fail. So this is what we got, included the pieces. We got this like mount here for like a smartphone and a GoPro. And we got this like something little piece or like that. And we got this tripod. Oh, it's so heavy. It's a little bit heavy. What's this? Oh, this is the actual tripod. That's this cable. And this is what it looks like. Here we go. Oh, look at this. It's good. I'm trying to stand it up correctly. And we got this thing where you can like stand it up for high as you can go. I don't know how to do that because I think there's an instruction book here. Oh, there is. Yes. Let's take it out of the box. What's this? This is an instruction book. Oh, this is how you like to use it and stuff. Installation. Alright, I'm gonna use this later on. By the way, I'm also gonna test like some parts of it. I'm gonna test like one of them. What does it do like on the selfie stick? Where you have to do like is it different? Alright. I think I will figure it out later on. And this video is not ending yet because I want to test these. And we forgot something. Look. We got this USB cable. So, I think this is maybe used for like other stuff or something. Look. This is the cable right here. So, yeah, I think that's it for you guys. So, video's not ending. Well, still. So, why did I want a new tripod? Because the reason why this tripod that I'm using right here is not good for me, but because sometimes it can't fit frames when you do like revealing like a big unboxing stuff or whatever, because I need to get like a taller tripod for it, because this one, it's not that great, but it's still okay for like when we do like small stuff or whatever. And also you got this remote here. Oh look, I think this is a picture. Boar. I don't know how to use this tripod yet. Maybe I will get used to it around like a couple weeks or a couple days or so. Oh, it's standing up. Show you this, guys. Oh, look at this. Sorry, I can't fit in frame. Oh, look at that. Look how high this is. It can go like high as it can. It says it goes to like 36 inches tall. So that's good for like when I do like, I want to try to do like a selfie stick to hold like this. Sorry, I can't fit in frame. That's why, good thing we got a new tripod for it. And very, very good. So this tripod is not good. If I like set it up, the standing part is like a little bit different or so. But I will try to use these pieces whatsoever. Oh, this is a mounting part. Hey, look. This is a matte finish. Good. The same thing. It's basic. And I got this maybe like, I think the GoPro thing where I have to like stand up. So I am gonna test all of these stuff. And yeah. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like and one 6-in-1 tripod Bower multi-tripod. So I'll show you after we set it up, all of it. Look at this. This is a selfie camera. Whoa. We're in the first floor. Huh.
Dude, move it. Damn, right here. Again.
Look at this. Whoa.
See, when you walk in, they do the selfie. Yeah. The walking test.
The walking test.
What you want, huh?
Hmm?
This is a selfie stick.
Selfie stick. Whoa. Alright, that's it.